In this step, we'll create the logo for our website. At first, our logo will be part of header, so let's create one div here with div start and div end tag. And inside of it, we just need to define our image HTML element. It's gonna be on the left upper corner inside of our website. Okay, so let's define image HTML element. Okay, let's define src and alt HTML attributes. Okay, so for this lesson, I have already prepared our logo inside of images folder. So I will copy this one from images folder that is on desktop. And I will place it inside of images folder inside of our website folder. Okay. So now with image HTML element, we just need to point on that logo. We are currently inside of homepage, right? And homepage is inside of pages folder. So we need to go one step back, and we can do that with // So now we are here, and now we can access our images folder. And from images folder, we want to point on logo, and logo is PNG file. So let's set logo.png. Okay. Like alternative text, we'll set logo not loaded. It's gonna be display if image is not loaded for any reason. So let's save our changes and let's refresh our web page. And here it is. By default, our logo will be in original size, so I will rescale this one a little bit. I will set height to 120 pixels. Okay, so let's save that. So now when we refresh our page, definitely this fits better than previous version. Okay. Now we can test our alternative text. We can remove G and let's save that change. So now we'll try to access image that doesn't exist, and yep, we will get our logo not loaded text that we have set for our alt HTML attribute. Okay. So we can put our G back. Let's save that change. And let's quickly check. Yep, we have our logo once again back. Next thing that we can do for our logo, we can create that our logo is linked for home page. So how we can do that? Actually, it's very easy. We just need to add our anchor start tag before our image and anchor end tag after our image logo. Can align this a little bit. For anchor start tag, let's define href attribute. So basically with href attribute, we want to point on home page. Basically, we are currently on home page, but let's set home.html. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, let's go back in our web browser. Currently, this is just image, as you can see, but now this is a link, so when we click on it, we'll be redirected on our home page.